So this is the Gillette Fusion 5 razor, and it's got replacement blades as well, which I'll show you in a moment. Now, it's a very light razor. It's one that I have been using for many years. And what I really love about it is that this blade is flexible and it can also come off really easily. And to do that, you just press in that button with your thumb and it just pops off. And putting it on again, once again, very simple. Really easy to do. Now it's called Fusion 5 because it's got 5 blades. It does have a soap strip on the top, which I tend not to rely on too much. But one thing that you may not know is that if you've been using these is that it's got a blade up the top there if you want to get to some of those little bits. So it's really good. You can power it on as well. There's a power button here. You can use it with or without power. And that vibration seems to help a bit with the shaving. And the battery to come out is very easy. You just twist like that and it's just a AAA battery. It just goes in there. So that's also nice and easy to use. Now I've been using the Gillette Fusion for years and I find it really good, very comfortable, very easy to use and really low maintenance. So I really recommend it.